You can analyze any pair after watching this video because the market only makes 3 moves. So just watch this video to the end and be sure to subscribe in this channel. Look at this, we're gonna start here. This is a Euro USD pair and we're gonna trend with it. Alright, so starting from here, we see a downtrend. Now listen carefully. The market has only 3 moves to make: a downtrend, an uptrend, and a channel. Your point is to predict which move the market is going to make. And actually, you will not be predicting at all. The market will be telling you the next move. Good enough. Now look at this. We have a downtrend. It's broken. We have an uptrend. It's broken. We have a channel. And so far, we have completed the 3 moves that I'm talking about: a downtrend, an uptrend, and a channel. Those are the only 3 moves the market will always make in the market. Now your point is to understand that we are not interested with the channel. We stop our trading when we find the channel. We only trade on an uptrend, a downtrend. Those 2, that's when we make our decisions. When the channel is formed, a fast breakout happens. And then our ample trading signal tells us that we are going long, but then price action tells us that we are going short. What do we follow? We don't trade. We wait for a retest for price action to tell us the truth. And then actually, after the first move, the market starts trading higher. That was when the ample trading pattern told us we're going long. So this was a valid long trade, and we traded higher and higher. So then we formed an uptrend. It was broken. We had a downtrend. If you watch keenly, our price action tells us we are going short, we are going to sell. Our ample trading pattern tells us that we are going to sell. That's basically a very valid trade. We have 2 signals at the same time, at the same place, on a very high point, which tells us we are going to sell. Good enough, right? After that, the market comes back to retrace at the support zone, has several retracement on this support zone, and with this downtrend, we can also find a retest down here. It's not some perfect downtrend, but anyway, after the retest, we start going long and higher and higher. So then we form an uptrend. Remember, I don't count it as a channel since it's a retest on our support zone. So this doesn't count as a channel since it only has a support zone with no resistance zone. Or if you want, you can call this a resistance zone. But after that, we have an uptrend, a broken uptrend, a downtrend. So guys, you can see very well that the market only makes the market only makes 3 moves in the market in this chart: uptrend, downtrend, broken, and now we have an uptrend again, broken, and then we have a downtrend again. You guys get this point? Hoping. The point that comes to predicting when the market is making our moves is like, let me show you another trade that was very valid over here. Right here we have a very nice trade. This is because after the downtrend is broken, a retest happens, and then our ample trading pattern tells us that we are going long. And actually, a 5-minute, 15-minute trade would have gone in the money on that point, even a 1-minute trade. So, the point we are trying to put across is that watching the market as it makes its moves is a crucial point, and learning how to spot those moves is the most critical part, where you will be able to tell where the market is heading next. Like when the trend is broken, when a trend is broken, you expect 2 things: the uptrend to continue. In this case, we are talking about a downtrend being broken, and the second one is a retest on the uptrend. So you can risk the first trade over here, of which for this downtrend it went out of the money since we went for a retest, and after the retest, taking another trade would be a very valid trade. Remember that taking a retest trade it has higher chances than taking a breakout trade. Second point, when trading on a channel, you wait for the channel to be broken. If the channel is broken cleanly with no, let me show you one. the channel has been broken with one good candle like this one. This is a valid breakout, which we have resorted into a short or sell signal, but our ample trading pattern was telling us that we need to do a buy signal. So then we had to pause the trading, and the ample trading pattern was right. So the point is, trading a channel, you wait for a retest, or you can trade during the breakout. These are very strong breakout. A weak breakout is like this one, very small candlesticks sticking around there, so you can tell if they're breaking or they are resisting. You never know. Oh, look at these, look at these. These candlesticks could not make a breakout. They are so tiny, but now this one made a very good breakout. I hope you get something here, because next video we are going to be trading. Thanks you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe in this video, because I don't want you to be missing on the next series while it's trading.